Yongkang LIKER is a company of kayak and related equipment in China, many years experience, combined with research, development, production, sale and service department for roto-molding kayaks and related equipment, mature technique on producing different construction, especially in 2 layers, 3 layers. We have deep cooperation with National Institute of Plastics for research and development, lighter and better material. LIKER gather rich experience kayak designer from Sweden, Italy, and national coach from Chile be our consultant. All of kayak we will test before enter to the market. LIKER use SCG raw material with 8 to 16 degree UV resistant for kayaks. Each kayak from LIKER get 100% guarantee. LIKER located in Yongkang City with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, LIKER 25 years experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Now we have 4 machines could work at the same time, output more than 10,000 pieces kayaks per year. In addition, we have obtained CE certificates, BSCI audit, SCG, offering OEM and ODM services. LIKER have joined Paddle Expo in Germany since 2015 to share our boats to the world. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, we are always welcome you discuss with our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.